I was working on finding a secret niche that can outperform the competition and show instant results, and then this niche came across, Lost Civilizations Reimagined. You got the idea from the name right. And the reason that this niche stands out from the rest of the competition is its unique concept. In this video, I will teach you how to create videos on this niche from scratch and earn as your side hustle. So let's go. First, we need to get a script right. For script, we are gonna use ChatGPT. Simply type here, generate me some highly engaging story on Lost Civilizations Reimagined, then click enter and it will simply start serving you a good story. If you like it, keep it, and if you don't, simply click here to regenerate it. Okay, so once you have your story ready, then again type, write me some good prompts for generating images related to this story, and in seconds a fully prepared list of prompts will be in front of you. Okay, so now let's get our voiceover. For voiceover, we are gonna use 11 labs, but I will tell you correct way to use 11 labs. First, go back to ChatGPT and copy up your script, and then go to 11 labs and paste the script here. Select your voiceover character and then click here, and after the voiceover is ready, download it from here, but don't forget to give 11 labs proper attribution in your description if you are using the free version, or you can just upgrade to the pro. Okay, so now we will generate images in Leonardo AI, which is completely free. Go to image generation from here, and then after you land on this page, go back to ChatGPT and copy up the first prompt of image from here. Then go to Leonardo AI and paste the prompt here and type this additional prompt. I will provide it in the description. Then select your AI model from here, and then select number of images from here, then scroll down and select 9:16. From here, then click on generate and wait for a few seconds, and when the images are ready, download any image that you find interesting. Now repeat the same process for all of your images. So now we will turn our images into animation, and for that we will use Runway ML. You can also use Pika Labs if you want to. Go to Runway ML and click on Start with Image, then click on this upload button from here, and then select your image. It will start processing, then click on Generate and wait for a few seconds, and when the video is ready, simply download the video from here and repeat the same process for the remaining images. Now go to CapCut and then click on the import button and import all your materials, then place the voiceover on the timeline and then remove the empty spaces from the complete voiceover and then adjust the voiceover accurately. Then drag and drop the clips on the timeline and listen to the audio and adjust each clip according to the audio one by one. Once all the clips have been perfectly placed, then go to transitions and drag and drop transitions between each clip and do this for all of the clips. Then go to effects and then scroll down and select this TV turn on effect and drag and drop on the timeline and reduce its size. Then go to filters and search here for clear. And then drag and drop this clear 2 filter on the timeline and then stretch it on the complete timeline. After that, go to text, then click on auto captions and then click on generate button and wait for a few seconds. Then go to templates and choose any template that you like, and then from here change the color of the font if you want to, and place the captions on the screen at a good place, and then drag and drop default text on the timeline and drag it on the complete timeline. Then type your channel name here, and after that select any bold font from here. Then select yellow color and scroll down and turn on stroke and increase strength of stroke up to 50. Then right click on the text and click on create compound clip, then go to cutout and click on chroma key, then click on this pen icon and then drop this cursor on yellow color and increase strength and shadow. After that, decrease the size of channel name and place it somewhere here. After that, go to audio from here and then click on sound effects, then search for TV off sound effect. And drag and drop the sound effect here and adjust the volume of the sound effect, and our video is ready. Let's watch it.
In the heart of an uncharted jungle, an intrepid archaeologist stumbled upon the remnants of a lost civilization that defied all known history. The air buzzed with an otherworldly energy as she uncovered intricate murals depicting beings with ethereal abilities and advanced technology. The city, hidden beneath layers of lush vegetation, revealed a society that thrived on a symbiotic relationship with the natural world. Their architecture melded seamlessly with the towering trees, and bioluminescent plants illuminated the streets at night. The archaeologist, captivated by the enigma surrounding these ancient people, discovered that they possessed a profound connection.
You got the idea right. Follow up all the steps and you can easily create these amazing shorts. Subscribe to our channel for more. See you all in the next episode. Bye.